Hello everyone. I'm going to go over a quick video here on Bitcoin. I have the Bitcoin chart up as you see. This is the daily chart, if you can see that right there. So each candlestick on this Bitcoin chart represents a day. And of course we saw a high up here. We saw a high up here of 20,000, which Bitcoin actually went up to. And everybody thought it was too late to get in. The run is over. And this is where a bunch of money in this area started flowing into Bitcoin when it made this run up, and everybody thought it was over. So now the natural thing happens and people took profit in this area. Price began to drop, and it's continuing to drop. And so now the naysayers are saying Bitcoin is over now, and the price is just going to continue to fall. So at the time of this video, Bitcoin is right around 13,000. But I want you to see something, and this is for people that know technical charting and understand technical charting, is that on the daily chart, Bitcoin is not even below. I have an indicator up here. You can see this light green here, and I'll just highlight it. This light green, this is called the Ichimoku cloud. Now, if you don't know what the Ichimoku cloud is, you can look it up. But it's basically a trend following indicator. And price is hasn't even touched the cloud yet, okay? Price has not even touched the daily Ichimoku cloud on the green side. So the cloud is not even turned red, which means we're in a downward trend. So Bitcoin technically, according to the technical chart, is still in an upward trend. Let's take a quick look at the 4-hour. Now, on the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin has went into a red Ichimoku cloud and hasn't crossed the green yet, back into the green. So if you're looking for a good entry, I probably wouldn't enter Bitcoin just yet because it looks like it still may be doing some downward movement. But let's go back to the daily because I want to show you something real quick. We're going to pull up something called, this is for beginning traders, a Fibonacci retracement, and we're just going to go from the most recent low to the recent high of 20,000, and we'll just pull it over like so. And if you know anything about technical trading, we'll look at the Fibonacci retracement, and we saw price pull back to the 50% mark from the recent low to the recent high. This green line right here is the 50%, and you saw how price touched the 50% right here and made a bounce off of that. That is another technical indicator showing you that this is normal price action. This is normal market movement with not only Bitcoin, but any tradable commodity if you study technical chart patterns. So just a word of caution out there that nobody can predict where price is going to go. But if you think this is the end of Bitcoin because it pulled back to 13,000, you're wrong. All this is technical charts playing themselves out. And this actually right now is right around the area you should be looking to buy and invest in Bitcoin, in between this area here and this area here. Now, you could go over to the 1-hour or 4-hour charts for good entry. That way you're more comfortable. But there's nothing about this market that says it's in a downturn or it's going to continue to drop. This is a classic pullback, and it will always happen because algorithms, big hedge funds, they are investing in this space. And because they invest in the Bitcoin space, they're going to buy low. They're going to buy low down here. And when the price runs up, they're going to sell high. Now, there's a lot of people that get in when it's high. This is the wrong time to get in. And when they sell high, the price will go back down, and then they'll buy it low again. This might be low for some algorithmic traders. Or coming down here to pre-pop prices might be a better buy. But nobody knows when it's actually going to turn around and go up again. So here's the fundamental question I'm going to leave you with. Do you believe that this is the end of Bitcoin, or do you believe it's going to run up again? If you do believe that it's going to run up again, which I personally do, then these are the areas where you need to be looking to buy. Now, it takes a lot of patience to hold on to your money and not get in on the hype, which I wanted to get in right here. I wanted to buy and I missed it and it went back here. So I just had to sit on my money. And that's what I'm going to continue to do. But I'm going to make another video where I'm going to actually show you when I'm going to invest more into Bitcoin, how much I'm going to put in, and you're going to be able to follow me live and we'll go through the results. All right, if you have any questions about Bitcoin or alternative coins, just leave me a question here. But this is a good free lesson on what to look for when you're thinking about buying Bitcoin or alternative coins. What are good prices? What are not so good prices? So on and so forth. And we do this by the way it's always been done, which is studying both fundamental analysis and technical analysis, what I just showed you here on the charts. Have a good day.